In this video, we are going to understand the use of Format Painter and in what kind of conditions you can easily do that. For example, we are seeing here that in remarks, we have applied the formula, but let's say that I make any changes and let's say that the table format is designed by myself or I have already converted this to a range. So now we apply this. So we apply this equals to if this cell is equal to pass, then good, otherwise bad. I applied this formula, it's all fine, but let's say I want to refresh this and apply it to all. So I just double click to send it down. But when I send this down, or even with this format, even if we have this field, from the first cell, if we drag this again, it will disturb the overall formatting just because it has copied the format in all the other cells, which is in the first cell. So if you want to make the format same, even without formatting is as stable again, what we can do is just select the parallel column which has the right formatting. So this one has the accurate formatting. I'll just take this one as a sample just by selecting the whole column. It's very simple to select the whole column. Just select it from the column reference like the letter L. After that, just go to the Home tab and use Format Painter. Basically, this takes this format as a sample, and wherever you want to paste it, you have this brush sign along with the normal cursor sign of Excel. So we copied it from the complete column, we paste it on the complete column. So what this will do is it will copy this format and paste it here simply by just a simple click like this. As you can see, it instantly formatted that. Not only this, let's say I want this same formatting of 2-3 columns, and up till this point, I just want the format to be copied. I just select this, click on Format Painter, and wherever you want to paste this, you can do this. But sometimes we might need to create some different tables, a couple of them, but every time we select the range, we select Format Table, and as soon as we click this, now we have to select it again. So if you don't want that, what we'll do is just first time when you were making the selection, you just, instead of single click, you just press double click. And now it will not be finished as soon as you paste one. So this way you can create multiple formats or multiple tables based on the format quickly. So this is how you can do it. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.